Good evening, dear boys and girls. Welcome to the world of Lego. Today we have Ninjago, some kind of a game, and we are going to open it. What is inside of this box? Oh, I totally have forgotten about to say about the age. So these blocks and this flying machine is for kids from 7 to 14 years old, and the serial number of this flying machine is 70747. So we see that this kind of machine can shoot with the bullets, the orange bullets over here, as you can see. Also, this box includes 2 men. I think that they are some kind of ancient soldiers, something like this. And they are with helmets, with swords. And also here we see 2 pictures, and it is shown here that you have to turn the wheel in order to make this machine shoot with these bullets. So now we have to open it. So we use this knife in order to open it. And we can open it over here. Okay. 1, 2. So see what we see here. The sticker. And it's a lot of interesting things. Nothing. So we see, I think that this is some kind of a wheel in order to turn it. Maybe. The main detail of this machine. And we see 2 packages in order to collect this machine. You see? And for sure there is a book. Which tells us about the collecting process. And now you may start collecting this flying machine. Have a good evening and night.